Hello, my lovely people. It's your girl, Dr. Mabel. Welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you're doing great and you're keeping safe. Right, so we're going to prepare a luxury dinner today. Oh, yeah, dinner for four on a budget under £5. Okay, even this budget can actually cover for 5 people, but let's just say dinner for four. So we're going to have a balanced diet and it's a delicious meal as well. 2 meals actually. Who's excited? Okay, so we're making chicken wraps and lettuce wraps. Now please, there's a red subscribe button on the bottom of the screen. Please try to click on it if you haven't subscribed, and also make sure to click the bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. All right, let's get started. You need some chicken. It can be chicken breast or chicken thighs. Now I'm using the thighs because they are less expensive, guys, and they are more tasty. Okay, it's a win-win. You know, I got to the store and I saw they were selling just 2 chicken breast fillet for about the same price, and I'm like, nah. And the good thing about this thigh is the skin has been removed and also the bone has been removed, so it's good to go. So why not? Yeah, you can use chicken breast if you want, but I'm going for thighs. Yeah, I've got 5 pieces in there in total, all about 600 grams. Okay, and each one is more than enough for one person. I'll be cooking just 3, so this can actually conveniently feed 5 people. All right, let's cook the chicken. Okay, just rinse it first. Okay, rinse the chicken first and place it in a saucepan. I'm just going to season with salt, white pepper, some curry, some multi-purpose seasoning, and we're just going to cook it. Cover, let it cook, let the juice come out. Okay, so we're just going to cook this chicken. You need very few spices and seasoning, really. Can you spot the juice? Yeah, the juice is coming out, so you want the juice to come out by itself before you add any water to it. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some water for it to cook properly, because we need this chicken to be really tender. Just a little bit of water and then cover it to cook properly. While that is cooking, I will go ahead and prepare other ingredients. Right, and so we've got some spring onions. Then we'll be using 1 chili pepper, medium heat. I got the chili pepper from Tesco. Now we'll be using this little gem lettuce. You can use romaine lettuce, yeah, other types of lettuce. So I bought this pack of lettuce for £1 actually. So we've got 2 inside. 1 is enough, really. Yeah, those are the red chilies I got. 1 is enough. I don't want it too spicy. So just prepare the ingredients. Have diced the spring onions. I'm going to cut the chili. We've got some chopped tomatoes. All right, looks like the chicken is ready. Ooh, look at that. Looks like the chicken is well cooked. Okay, we're going to cut it into pieces and just add all other ingredients. Put in the chopped tomatoes. What else have we got? The chili, the onions, and I like to season with a little garam masala powder. That's a ground mace. It just gives it a mild curry taste. I don't want it to taste like chicken curry, no, but just, you know, a little bit of curry taste. Yeah, so I like to put that in just a little bit. Combine everything together and just cover to simmer for about 5 minutes. All right, let everything infuse together. Okay, that looks good. I'm just going to finish up with some spring onions. You want the spring onions to retain its crunchiness. Okay, so at this point, turn off the gas and just set aside to cool. So let's prepare the lettuce. I'll be using some lettuce for the lettuce wrap, and I'll be using some for the chicken wrap. Okay, make sure to wash the lettuce properly. You know it's layered, so there's tendency for some, I don't know, maybe sand or some other things from the farm to be hidden inside, so you want to wash it properly. So I've set aside some for the wraps, and I'm just going to cut these ones for the chicken wrap. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Not too much juice, but still juicy. Oh my god, I've had about 2 or 3 pieces just to taste. Now I like to set the lettuce just facing down for them to dry. You can also tap it with some kitchen cloth for it to be properly dry. Now for the wraps, we'll be using some chapatti. This is whole wheat chapatti. So this is a better choice for me, really. It's got more fiber, more protein. Yeah, you can see whole wheat. So this is a better choice for you. There are lots of wraps in the store, but I like this ones. There are other wraps with flour and all that. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, looks like we've got 6 wraps in there. Okay, I got this for £1.20 at Tesco. So for the wrap to be very easy to fold, you can pop it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Yeah, and this will give you a better result. All right, so put in the sauce of your choice. I'm using Nando's Perinaise sauce. Next, add in the vegetables. So I'm putting in some lettuce now. Next is our cooked chicken, juicy chicken. Okay, try not to put too much in. You don't want them falling out of the wrap. Then I'll be finishing with this Tesco says $1 dressing, no, what, £1,000 dressing. Okay, fold neatly, and then you're going to just repeat this process for all the wraps. Really, place on a grill or a saucepan to cook. So I'm just going to set that aside, and if you want a longer wrap, that's a small one, you can just double the wrap this way. And I'll just show you how I fold. Repeat the process. Put in the sauce of your choice, vegetables of your choice, put in the chicken, finish up with this luxury dressing and then fold neatly. Fold it in. So I try not to put too much in at a time, and of course I'm not trying to overfeed myself or anyone as well. So it's a reasonable portion. All right, ideally I'll just make 4 normal sizes, average sizes, but I wanted to make a big one just for you to see that, or you can double the wrap and just have a bigger portion. All right, so we've got 3, 1 large portion and just 2 moderate sized portion. Flip it over for the other side to cook. Once one side is brown, just flip it over for the other side to be brown as well, and then we will take it off. Guys, it's ready. It is ready. You can sense the excitement in my voice. Oh god, the queen is having the same for dinner. Okay, this is luxury dinner under £5. So we're still going to make some lettuce wraps. All right, let's make our wrap. Yeah, simply put in the already made chicken sauce, the chicken filling, then add any sauce of your choosing. Okay, I like to also add some avocado sometimes when I'm ready to eat them, but I won't be putting that now. So when you're ready to eat them, just, you can put some avocado on it, and it's more delicious. It's more delicious, guys. Yeah, this is your luxury dinner under £5 budget. So you've got some lettuce wraps and you've got some chicken wrap. So for people that love veg more, they can just have lettuce wrap, and you can have both, right? So I'm sure on my plate I'm going to have some lettuce wraps, and I'm going to have a a chicken wrap. Definitely. Let me have a taste with this little one right here. It's unbelievably delicious. Oh my god, the flavor, the texture of the chicken, and the crunchiness of the lettuce, the spring onions. Just try it is all I can say. You know, it's very difficult to describe this. You just need to try it for yourself. All right. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the love, the comments, the feedback. Let's grow together. Please subscribe if you haven't. Bye for now, and I will see you in my next video.